In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on autoplay on YouTube from your laptop. Autoplay is a simple feature that keeps the momentum going by automatically playing the next recommended video once your current one ends. It's great when you want a hands-free viewing experience, whether you're studying, cooking, or just relaxing. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to find it and how it works. First, open any YouTube video on your laptop. Use your preferred web browser and pick any video you'd like. The feature works the same way across most videos. Give the page a second to load so the video player and its controls are fully visible. If the controls fade out, just move your mouse over the video to bring them back. Now, look toward the bottom right corner of the video player. You should see a cluster of familiar icons like CC for closed captions and the gear icon for settings. Right in that area is the autoplay toggle. It typically looks like a small switch or slider. If you don't spot it immediately, hover near the CC and settings icons, and it should appear alongside them. This is the control that determines whether YouTube will automatically queue up the next recommended video. Click the autoplay toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, YouTube will automatically start the next recommended video once the current one finishes. Near the end of a video, you may see a brief countdown indicating what's coming up next, giving you a moment to cancel if you change your mind. This is especially useful when you're watching a series, tutorials, or content from a creator you enjoy, since YouTube lines up related videos based on your viewing history and the current video's topic. If at any point you decide you don't want videos to continue automatically, you can turn autoplay off by clicking the same toggle again. The switch will change back to its off state, and YouTube will stop after the current video ends. Your choice generally sticks for your browser and account, so once you set it the way you like, you usually won't need to change it again. If the toggle doesn't seem to respond, try refreshing the page and check again. That's all there is to it. Open a video, find the autoplay toggle near CC and settings, and click to turn it on. With autoplay enabled, you can sit back and let YouTube take it from there. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your uninterrupted viewing.